In the middle of the city's smoke, traffic, and noise, a new green space is now open to the public in Quezon City. The Quezon City Hall Park and Lagoon offers fresh air, a cool breeze, and a quiet place for people to relax and unwind. Mobile Journal Francis Rivera has the report.
Isang bagong bukas na Lagoon Park ang meron sa Quezon City kung saan maaari kang makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. In the middle of the city's smoke-filled streets, there is a place with fresh air, a cool breeze, and a clean environment. This is the Quezon City Hall Park in Lagoon, a green space where people can relax and unwind. The park has reportedly been open to the public for more than a month, but improvements and beautification efforts are still ongoing. According to Jundi, the administrator in charge of the park, one of his goals is to further enhance and develop the entire park.
Napapansin ko po kasi na medyo hindi okay yung lugar. Yung mga halaman po, inorganize ko po siya. Wala pong talagang totaling layout na binibigay sa akin. Ang napansin ko po ano po yung maganda sa mata, parang inorganize ko po sa akin.
Since the park has only recently opened, some areas still lack sufficient plant life. To address this, they continue to plant more greenery to help the landscape grow and flourish over time.
Shorted kami sa halaman sa ngayon. Kaya ang ginagawa namin, nagpupunla. Lalo na po yung tag-init, talagang na mahirap magbuhay ng mga halaman, mga pagpupunla. Meron kasi tayong mga halaman na nabubuhay sa mga initan at saka hindi po na bubuhay sa mga initan.
Even the decorations in the park are made from recycled materials such as benches and tables crafted from cut tree trunks. However, certain items are prohibited inside the park, including bottles and plastic materials in accordance with the Quezon City Ordinance. The entire park is open to the public daily from Monday to Sunday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m.
Kung ano po yung makakaya namin papaganda sa lugar, so sana po magustuhan nila. Welcome po ang lahat pumunta dito.
Sa gitna ng polusyon, malaking bagay na merong mga ganitong park kung saan sariwang hangin ang napuproduce. Ang tanging gagawin na lang natin ay pangalagaan ito. Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Francis Rivera po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.